It's the thing. The ending we didn't do. Oh my goodness. Oh damn. The bleak. Pick up my shit. Yo! Oh my. How does this work? Oh. He's following me now, apparently.
You got games on your phone?
Well, perhaps it's disconnected. Yo, what the fuck? Calm down. What? Question mark. Oh, did I just eat it? What the fuck? Alright, where the f are we going? Oh, Jesus. He's not him. Oh my god, Kelvin! Yo, stop the fucking golf guy! Wait, is he dead? Wait, chill, I don't think he almost died. I swear they can. Oh? Choke it up. Let me in! And seeing the inside of your skull. And they're gone. He's in the camp! The insta-res is crazy. Calm down again.
Indians scattered on Dawn's highway bleeding. Ghosts crowd the young child's fragile eggshell mind. Blood in the streets in the town of New Haven. Blood stains the roofs and the palm trees of Venice. Blood in my love in the terrible summer. Bloody red sun of fantastic LA. Dead blood in the streets, it's up to my ankles. Blood in the streets, it's up to my knee. Blood in the streets, the town of Chicago. Blood on the rise is following me. Bruh.
Wesley? Who the fuck is Wesley? Yo, have a spin on this one. What the fuck doing? Stick. We put a stick on top of the stick. We have a stick pointing out from the stick, and then, right, wait, give me a sec. We do another stick underneath that, and then one at the top on an angle. Then this one, it's gonna be slightly off-centered to this one. Bang. Look at that. Yes, lad. An artifact. Did you have this? Oh, I get it. He's in a menu. Oh my god. Yeah. He's stuck to Oh my god! Oh. I don't think I was recording game audio this is bad now.
Nice. All in your inventory mode, like 8 people.
Oh, I'm down. Is it this? That's one. Oh, wait.
Why is he so
I love this. I love I don't know why. Yo, there's like 4 of them.
Oh.
She's got